Holy Smokes was built on faith, prayer, and the desire to give Yuma County the best barbecue out there and to get Yuma on the map for barbecue. We are a locally veteran-owned business serving the military for 12 years, and what better way to come back and then to serve Yuma with our meats that are smoked daily for great delicious sides. We put our love, we put our time. I mean, what else, where else can you get better food than that except maybe your grandma's house? Inspiration to make our dishes, we get together with the head chef, myself, a couple of the workers, and we want everybody to bring their ideas to the table. It's not just one person alone that runs this establishment. We are as a team, we are as a family. We've come up with ideas from different sandwiches, from the Cowboy Cuban to spark plugs, which are jalapeno poppers wrapped in brisket and bacon around it. Being a veteran for 12 years, we want to do all we can for the military, for the bases, to keep them going, and I completely support that 110%.
So today we'll be using pork picnic. We'll be cutting it into 1/4-inch slices. So in a big bowl, we're gonna add 3 cups ketchup, a 1.5 cups of brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, sweet chili sauce. We're gonna mix. We're gonna set aside about 1 cup of this sauce for glazing. So to the pork that we just cut, we're gonna season with honey garlic seasoning. Season well, make sure everything's coated. I was just looking for something simple people can just grab and not get too dirty eating. I think they're gonna like it a lot. There's a lot of flavor in this dish. Then I have some right here that we already pre-skewered. Now let's go outside of the smoker. Arrange them on your plate. Slice up some green onions. Cut up some fresh almonds.